In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move rotation point in Figma. Understanding how to precisely control the rotation point of objects in Figma is a fundamental skill that can dramatically enhance your design workflow, giving you much greater flexibility and creative control. Whether you're working on complex illustrations, intricate UI elements, or even simple animations, being able to dictate the exact pivot around which an object rotates is incredibly powerful. By default, Figma rotates objects around their geometric center, which is often sufficient. However, there are many scenarios where you need an object to spin from an edge, a corner, or even a point completely outside its boundaries. This technique is invaluable for creating realistic hinges, orbiting elements, or just achieving a specific visual effect. So let's dive in and learn how to master this essential Figma trick. To begin, you'll first need to have an object selected on your canvas that you wish to rotate. Once your desired shape, frame, component, or group is highlighted, the magic starts with a simple keyboard shortcut. You'll want to press and hold down the Alt key, sometimes labeled Option on Mac keyboards, and then simultaneously press the R key. This key combination is your gateway to custom rotation. Upon pressing Alt and R, you'll immediately notice a small, circular point appear directly in the center of your selected object. This unassuming little circle represents the object's current rotation point, and it's what we'll be manipulating in the next step to achieve our custom rotation. It's important to remember that this special point only becomes visible when you activate the Alt+R command, allowing you to interact with it directly. Now that the rotation point is visible, the next step is to move it to your desired location. With the Alt and R keys still active or after briefly pressing them, simply click and drag this circular point anywhere you need it to be. You have complete freedom here. You can move it to any corner of your object, position it along an edge, or even drag it completely outside the object's bounding box. For instance, if you're designing a clock, you might want the hands to rotate from their base. Or, if you're simulating a door swinging open, you'd place the rotation point at the hinge. As you drag the point, you'll see its position update in real time. Take your time to place it precisely where you intend your object to pivot. This new position will redefine the center of rotation for your selected element, setting the stage for very specific rotational movements. Once your rotation point is perfectly positioned, you're ready to start rotating your object around this newly established pivot. You can do this in a couple of ways. Either by grabbing one of the rotation handles that appear around your object's bounding box and dragging it, or by inputting a specific rotation value into the angle field within the Properties panel on the right sidebar. As you rotate, you'll observe that your object now spins around the custom point you just set, rather than its default geometric center. This offers an incredible level of precision and control, opening up a world of possibilities for your designs. Experiment with moving the rotation point to various spots and then rotating to see how dramatically the effect changes.